SRT8 Challenger hemi. Nice black color with pretty cool rims. Get it started. Alright. They don't give you a handbrake. That's unfortunate. I don't know if we can hear that. Put the window down. Good throttle response, as a muscle car should be. Kind of laugh it had reverse tracking, and it doesn't. So, we're gonna go for a drive real quick. Get ourselves kind of situated there. Pretty standard. There's nothing too flashy in these cars other than the satellite radio and the horsepower. And at the current moment, I cannot. Oh, there we go. Steering wheel is kind of funny. All right. Back her on out. Has a good tone to it. A lot more power than the other one I just drove the other day, actually. This one really moves out. Take off here. Got up to 55 there in second gear. That was pretty wild. Pull's pretty good. The clutch could be more stout in them. It's my only complaint, really. It seems like these Hemis are having a lot of problems. I see a lot of them in the shop. I'm not sure if it's this bigger Hemi or if it's a smaller one, or if they put the smaller one in them. I'm a Ford guy, but either way, when they're running, they're running. Not as quick as the 5.0. It doesn't seem, actually, from going back and forth. Maybe this has different rear end gears. I'm not sure. It's kind of a different animal. Definitely, I've had them on the interstate, and they have more top end. Once we get the garage open here, we'll run around and look at our engine. If we can get our friends here to open the garage. This Century, well, guess they're washing something. So we'll put on our parking brake, pop out and take a look under our hood. Gotta find our pop here really quick. I definitely don't want to pull the handbrake lever and go careening down the hill into another car. take a look at it.
After you get done,
What is this?
take a picture of me in it.
Take a picture of you in it.
Give it back to me.
Oh, look at that.
6.1. Ooh. Does it sound good or is it quiet?
It's loud.
It is?
Yeah. You want to hop in it?
When you hit the gas though?
Yeah, you want to hop in it and rev it up for me? I'll stand behind it. Sounds pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Okay, look, this is what we're about to do. Have you take a picture of me like I'm turning the corner.
Okay. Alright. Take a quick look at our seats here. For our YouTube friends, oh, can't really see it, but it's got a nice racing seat form to it, so there they are. Yeah.